Right, Rishabh, thanks so much for that update. All eyes indeed on Washington as the Commerce Minister embarks on this 4-day visit. Moving on, the RBI is considering stricter norms for unsecured personal loans, urging banks to strengthen internal lending thresholds. It has advised capping loan limits based on borrower credit scores and ratings, citing concerns over the sector's vulnerability to financial shocks. Now, this follows the November 2023 move to hike risk weights on such loans from 100% to 125%, signaling continued regulatory caution. Shubhana joining in with more on this.
The RBI is actually planning to bring in tighter norms for unsecured loans as it is still concerned with the growth in this segment and the potential vulnerability that it brings in. Sources are actually telling us that RBI is actually nudging select banks to strengthen their internal policies and to bring in stricter threshold limits for such unsecured loans. What sources are also telling us that the RBI could ask banks to cap the limit on these unsecured personal loan borrowers. And what they're also saying is that these would be based on their ratings and credit score. So, for example, if a borrower has a personal home vehicle, a home loan and a vehicle loan, then in that case, banks would have to exercise caution and assess whether they want to give out a personal loan, and if they are, then how to. What sources are also telling us that right now the RBI is suggesting this to banks, and they would formalize this into a draft notification, and this could come out as soon as within the next fortnight. While banks already have their internal limits, but RBI wants banks to actually document this clearly and closely monitor the development so that it helps the central bank also to inspect on this, and it will ensure robust risk management.
Right, Shubhana, thanks for that. Let's look forward to the actions that the RBI actually takes with regards to capping these limits. Moving on,